workout. It's an arms and abs class, which is strictly weightlifting and then a core section. So I will see you guys after. I'm freaking ready to crush it. Today is gonna be such a good day. It started off so good and we're gonna continue it. That workout was literally phenomenal. I burned like 300 calories and I lifted super heavy, so I feel like I'm gaining a lot of strength. I always spray my face with this stuff after I work out. You guys know the drill. Hand sanitize because those weights are dirty, and I'm at the car wash just running my car very quickly through just to get it clean. Okay, I only walked a mile because it's all I have time for. I just quickly made a breakfast. I typically have this every single morning. I'm a creature of habit. So I have 2 over easy fried eggs in olive oil, salt and pepper, truff hot sauce, and then I have 3 of the Amy Lou chicken sausages, which is 1 serving, and then a little side of blueberries. I'm pairing this with the protein drink that I just had. I'm probably at like 50 grams of protein. So we're doing good today on protein so far. So cheers. Before we go any further into this very productive day, this portion of the video is sponsored by Kitsch. You guys know I have been on my hair growth wave and really taking care of the locks that God gave me. Kitsch honestly makes it so easy to save bottles and use bottle-free beauty, but also have really nice and luscious hair. I have been so obsessed with the conditioner and shampoo bars by Kitsch. They are so amazing. They have rice water protein, which repairs hair follicles and also prevents split ends. Honestly, there are so many benefits to using the shampoo and conditioner bars that basically it's going to help with strengthening your hair, reducing breakage, and also improving the hair texture. Much better for the environment because one of these shampoo bars equals 100 washes, which equals 2 bottles of plastic waste. My favorite thing about these bars is that it really rebalances over moisturized hair, which I definitely have from sometimes using too many products. I also have a really oily scalp, so it really keeps that at bay. And it's free of the 4 things that we do not want in our shampoo and conditioners, and that's phthalates, parabens, silicones, and sulfates. And one of my favorite things about using the shampoo and conditioner bars is the shower caddy that you can get with it. I absolutely love that you can stick it directly onto your shower wall and it's self-draining. It helps dry the product very quickly and preserve more product in the future. Not to mention it literally looks so sleek in my shower, so I'm very happy with the aesthetics. Small steps truly make a huge difference. So for me, even using this product, it reduces single-use plastics, but also having really nice, shiny, and strengthened hair with the rice water proteins. You guys can use my code isabellagoria for 25% off the whole entire website. I also really love their claw clips, so that's another really fun thing that you can add to your cart. They do ship here in the US and also internationally to 27 countries. And you can also sign up for their subscription on their website for an even better discount. Thank you again to Kitsch for sponsoring this portion of the video. Let's go ahead and get on into our more productive day because we have a lot ahead of us. My hair is washed and it feels so good. I am finally in my office. I put on this scuba, I don't even remember the name of this. I think it's called like the Soft Stream Half Zip. And then just some biker shorts from Lulu, and I am ready to go. It is about 9:30, so we're at a very good time frame to start the day. The very first priority of today is to film for Giorgio Armani. I'm filming on their new cheek blushes and I'm so excited. So I'm about to do just the base of my face and then start that video. Not sure how pigmented it is, so I'm just gonna go in with a tad bit, and I'm just going to buff it up on the tops of my cheeks. You guys, I just filmed with the new Armani Beauty Luminous Cheek Blushes, and oh my goodness, I love them so much. They're very like second skin feel. And I also used the new Vertigo Lift Mascara, and I love. So they sent all of it to me, and they even sent me a restock of the foundation, which I love this stuff. I've been using it for years. I also use one of the shades on my lips, and I feel like my makeup is looking so good. So I'm gonna edit that video now, and then we have literally so much more to do today. We're being extremely productive. We're getting things done. I just finished editing the little TikTok/reel that I made for Armani Beauty on their blushes, and I sent it over to the brand, so I'm waiting for approval before I can post it. So in the meantime, let's tackle some stuff for my real big girl job. If some of you didn't know, if you're new to my channel, I do have a regular full-time job. I work for my parents' company. I am the vice president and I love it so much. You can kind of see the product there in the background amongst all of my boxes, but here's a little 3D print. It is the first ever fire extinguisher stand in the world. My dad patented it in 2003 and it goes on every single job site in the nation. Very proud of it and I love it so much. I was the product marketing field specialist for 2 years, and safe to say I've proved myself and that I am amazing in the sales and business world. So I have been promoted to a vice president, which of course that comes along with many more responsibilities and a lot more things, but I love it so much. much. This is the family legacy, the Goria legacy that I will carry for the rest of my life. So I love doing it. I love having a full-time job and also doing what I love to do as well, peppered in with it. So it's really fun. We recently signed on Fastenal about 8 months ago. They're a huge distribution brand of fasteners and other things within the construction industry. And I'm basically calling a bunch of the branch managers and just introducing myself and talking about the products, giving them more info.
Thanks for calling Fastenal. It's Andy. I can help you.
Hi, do you have a branch manager available?
That would be me.
Okay, my name is Isabellagoria. I'm with Goria Corporation. We are one of your vendors, and I was just calling to just introduce myself and kind of talk about the product, see if I can get an email to send over product information to.
Gotcha. Yeah, I'll give you an email.
Okay.
It's
just knew it. It's 2 o'clock and I came in here to make a latte and I didn't even check what time it was. I just, between 2 and 3, it's iced latte time for me. So I made a double shot iced latte. And this is literally the cure to absolutely everything that's going on in my life. It's so good. While I'm inside and I'm not in my office, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in some laundry just so I can get that going, and then we can continue to work on some other things. Scared me. I was literally gonna come in there and scare you after I was done folding this laundry. I am gonna make myself a quick lunch before I head back to my office because coffee is not lunch, sadly. So I'm gonna make myself something. I don't know what yet. This may look random, but it's very typical for me to have this for lunch. I just have a chicken apple sausage that I air fried and broiled. I have cottage cheese, mustard, some carrots, and hummus. I'm not sure the exact macros on this, but I'm pretty sure it's probably around 40 grams of protein, give or take a few grams, and then probably under like 300-ish calories. So that's pretty good for eating smaller portions with higher protein, like more volume for me. So I'm going to eat this and satiate myself. I just finished filming my What's in My Nano Speedy and it was such a good video. It turned out so well, which it's already posted. So if you haven't seen it, definitely go watch it. I feel like I should do a little PR haul because I have so much PR. First up is Primal Queen. I actually have already opened this because I was so intrigued by this, but it's these beef capsules, grass-fed and pasture-raised beef organ capsules. They're good for energy, better hormones, gluten-free, grass-fed, superfoods, and non-GMO. So very cool. Definitely up my alley with like all my health goals and stuff. And then they gave me like this cute little jar. Maybe I put my like supplements in there, and I have a wristband, and then I think this is like some sort of keychain. I already opened this as well, but Valentino double sent me perfume. I opened one of these, I think on my TikTok a few weeks ago, or maybe a month ago, and they double sent it, the extra dose. So I have another extra dose and the Uomo. I'm gonna give it to my mom and then also my dad. Like, imagine being double sent PR from Valentino. That's pretty freaking cool. It's such a cool package from L'Oreal. I already opened it, of course. I can't really like tame myself. I have to open these right away because I just get so excited. But it is a bunch of their new infallible stuff. So it's their new infallible spray, and it's literally a 36-hour transfer-proof spray. So I'm gonna try this when I go to Disney and see how it is. I also have a concealer from L'Oreal, also a foundation. Oops, hold on, something stuck to it. This, and then I have 2 powders as well. So I'm honestly really excited to dive more into like drugstore makeup. This is also a new perfume that just came out. It's by Mugler. It's the Angel Stellar, and I'm so excited. I don't want to open it yet because it's like in a really nice like container and I just don't want to mess it up, but it is a Pistachio Galactic Delight, which I'm so excited for. I'm addicted to pistachio. A lot of you know that, but it's bergamot, woody accords, vanilla, and I'm so excited. I feel like I'm getting so much like perfume PR recently, so that is just so freaking cool. And another perfume box. This is American Fine Fragrance. It's from Fulton and roark is the name. It looks like some of the samples ended up falling out in transit, but I haven't smelled any of these, so we're gonna do it together. Ooh, okay, look at this bottle. That is very, very, very nice. I like that. Nice and cute and small. It's called The Window. Let's spray it. Yeah. Ooh, that is like intense. You can smell a lot of saffron, and I also smell a lot of pink pepper too. Wow, that's like a really good smell. I feel like this is a good unisex one. And of course we have so many samples in here. We have The Window as well, and then there's a bunch others which we should definitely smell because why not? I'm gonna have such a headache after this, but we have Ghost Trees. Wait, I love that. That's really good. That's very clean. That's going in my purse. And then we have this one. It's Devil's Garden, and it has incense vetiver. I don't know how to say that, and cardamom. Also really good. Very powdery. Not like 100% my style and like my profile, but I still like it. And then this one, it's called the 226 Club. Ooh, that would smell so good on my boyfriend. This is orange bitters and tonic. Oh, that's so good. Well, I definitely can't smell all these because I'm gonna get a huge headache, but I really like the one they sent me. But I think my favorite one, which I wish I got this one, but it's totally fine because I'm still gonna wear that one and so will Joey, is Ghost Trees. It's so clean. It smells really good. And the notes for the Ghost Trees are sea spray, juniper, and cypress. So I can't wait to smell all of these. Like, these are going in my purses for sure. Thank you so much to all the brands who just sent me PR for my little PR haul. It's now 4 o'clock and I need to finish up some work for my regular Goria corp job. And then I think we are done for the day and we can move on to some other things. So before the end of the day, I always recheck all of my emails to make sure I'm not missing any. I always check all of our orders at the manufacturing centers, make sure that some are sent out, that are supposed to be sent out on those days, and all of them are set up, and I set up everything. So I always make sure of that. I also check out all of our like build like websites that we use to work with all of our construction leads and companies that we work with. And yeah, I just kind of go over everything, fine tune it, and just make sure we're good to go and I can like clock out for the day. Hey guys, it's about 2 hours later. Joey and I went to the store. We got some stuff to make dinner. We're just doing chicken breasts. They're pre-marinated, which is such a freaking saving grace. And then I'm doing like Asian inspired green beans, like with soy sauce and red pepper and sesame seeds on the stove. And then I found this recipe to make low calorie protein birthday cupcakes tonight. And so we got everything that we need for that. So we have everything. I'm so excited to make those. I feel like I've been craving a sweet treat and I obviously want it to be good for me. Okay, for dinner I had pickled jalapeno. I cannot even lie. I'm literally addicted to pickled jalapenos. And then I have 1 okra, which I already took a bite out of. And then these are the green beans that I made on the stove. Very, very yummy. And then this is like some sort of orange glazed chicken from Publix that Joey just grilled up. So this is what we are eating tonight. Very healthy, very good. Oh my God, it looks so good. And I literally cannot wait to have the protein cupcakes. Taste testing Joey's chicken. That's really good, babe. Maybe these didn't turn out the best. It tastes like an egg souffle. I followed the whole recipe and my sprinkles bled, so we're just kind of playing around with it. And Sarah made them too, and hers were kind of mid, so. Joey, do a final taste test for us. The ice cream's not bad, honestly, but they're not the best. I mean, like, they're really, I don't know. It does taste like very proteiny. I don't know, I tried, but it wasn't my recipe, so I'm not gonna take offense to no one liking them.
No, they're not bad.
Yeah, they're not horrible. You eat anything though. Anything that's edible, you'll like eat. They're not horrible. I just showered and I feel so good. It is about 8 o'clock and I am ready for bed. I did a lot today and I'm like so proud of myself for being productive. My quote of the day is just to remember that not every day is gonna be super productive. For me, like today was amazing. I got everything done that I needed to get done. Some days you're gonna fall back, but it's the discipline and what you do and those little moments that make the big difference. But thanks for coming along with me today. I loved it so much. I had so much fun in today's video and I will see you guys in my very next video. Bye.